Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Captain of the ship, who's directed this wonderful film. The trailer looks awesome, and वो yummy food देख के, let's call it an awesome film. So congratulations on this awesome film.
Thank you.
We just loved it, है ना?
Thanks.
So thought कहाँ से आ गया सर? मतलब
Well, there's an original film called Chef, made by Jon Favreau, and Vikram Malhotra had bought the rights some time ago for it.
Yeah.
And when we were shooting Airlift, we had a conversation, and he said, "What do you think of this film?" तो मैंने कहा कि यार, it is one of my favorite films of last year, the year that it came out. And he said, "What do you think about doing it?" And I said, "I'd love to," and then I got scared after that because I said, "Yeah, the film is so good, I don't know whether I want to." I'd also never made a film that was a remake or an adaptation. And then we started working on it. Ritesh and Suresh worked with me.
Right.
And it's the same team that wrote Airlift. So we sat down and then we discussed it for a long time. And then we came up with this idea.
Well, one thing is for sure, if Jon Favreau watches this, he's going to be very proud of this entire team. So, zordar taliyan वापस से, come on, ladies and gentlemen, for Chef.
Thank you.
And now with this, may I invite on stage the producers of the movie. सबसे पहले Mr. Bhushan Kumar के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Mr. Kishan Kumar is not here. Mr. Vikram Malhotra, ladies and gentlemen, and Miss Janani Ravi Chandran. Zordar taliyan, come on, for the gorgeous lady. Well, ma'am, you have a khatarnak fan following over here. They all love you. Congratulations on this. And I'll let the lady do the talking. Hannah?
Thank you.
How's the trailer? Tell us. Review कीजिए हम सब के लिए. इससे पहले कि कोई और करे.
It's too close to our heart. We want to hear what everybody else is saying.
Mr. Kumar, आपका क्या views है?
See, actually जब ये फिल्म मेरे पास आई थी करने के लिए, प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, the only thing, because I'm a father too, and because of the relationship, I just went for this film, and it's showing that in the promo. So the promo, obviously, you are asking wrong people. We all are connected to it, so we all love the promo. But it's really a very nice film, and it has great emotions of father-son. So very excited about it.
Right. Malhotra साहब, this one's for you. Please हमें बताइए, मतलब खाने का शौक तो एकदम चेहरे पे ही लग रहा है, आपको भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So ये इस वजह से इसके rights लिए थे या क्या हुआ था?
खाने का शौक, Seth. Have a look at both of us and then say खाने का शौक ज़्यादा किसको है?
अरे नहीं ये तो कहीं और ही ले गए. दिल पे लिए. जी.
जब ये फिल्म मैंने पहली बार देखी थी तो मुझे ये एक हिंदी फिल्म लगी थी.
अच्छा.
जब मैं मिस्टर फवराव को मिला भी था अक्टूबर 2015 में, तो हमारी जो इनिशियल डिस्कशन हुई थी उससे ये लगा था कि यूनिवर्सल इमोशन है, फादर सन का इमोशन है, एक आदमी का सेल्फ डिस्कवरी का, रीडिस्कवरी ऑफ हिज बॉन्ड विद हिज फैमिली. तो बड़े यूनिवर्सल इमोशंस हैं और ऐसी बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं जो हॉलीवुड में बनती हैं या इंडिया में बनती हैं लेकिन यूनिवर्सली ट्रैवल करती हैं. ये एक वैसी फिल्म है, एंड वी होप दैट द ऑडियंस इन दिस कंट्री कनेक्ट्स एंड लव्स इट एज मच एज इट वाज लव्ड ग्लोबली.
Of course होगा ऐसा. अभी यहाँ पे हमको reactions जो मिले हैं उस वजह से ही कह सकते हैं. एक बार वापस से तालियां हो जाएं शेफ के लिए, ladies and gentlemen, and for the entire team. And now the cast of the movie. Give it up for Swar Kamble, ladies and gentlemen, the very talented kid over here. Whoa. The very gorgeous Padma Priya, ladies and gentlemen, Zordar Taliyan, and the very talented Chandan Roy Sanyal. That's it, I think. Ab it's over to the media. पूछ लीजिए. You gotta make some noise ना यार, तभी तो बुलाऊंगा ना यार. The uber cool, the very handsome, the very talented Saif Ali Khan. He's like नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोलने का. Welcome. And this won't have been possible कुछ और बहुत ही खास लोगों के support के बिना, तो इसलिए T Series से President Marketing Media and Publishing Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. The co-producers of the movie, Ms. Shikha Sharma and Ms. Priya Gupta, उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां. And VP T Series Films, Mr. Shiv Chanana, उनसे भी request करूंगा, please यहाँ आएं. And it's time for a quick photo op. जोरदार तालियां for this entire cool, uber cool team of Chef. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now this one's for the chef साहब यहाँ पे. Chef, talking to you about this trailer, we loved it. And मैं आपके लिए नहीं बोलूँगा कि आपको खाने का शौक है, सर ने एकदम ऐसे हो गया. Okay, so मुझे बोलें कि यहाँ पे खाने पीने की शौक की बात हो रही है. So did you know, John actually learned how to cook when he was, making this movie. So आपने कितना खाना बनाना कितना सीखा और कितना पहले से आता था?
नहीं, काफी सीखा.
अच्छा.
We did about, I think about a month of preparation. Every day at the Marriott, the Marriott chef, the head chef, Chef Himanshu in particular, and all his, the other chefs, I'm forgetting the names now, Daljit and a couple of other guys who were amazing.
Right.
Raja wanted me to be comfortable in the kitchen with all aspects, including, there's this high pressure wok, which they make, what do they cook in it?
We're frying all the...
Like they fry paneer and all these kind of stuff. It's very high pressure fire. And then pastas and, cooking spaghetti. And I think the main thing was to learn
all
how
the
to
chopping. You chopped
chop,
what?
A
million onions.
Chopping onions. Chandan also with me as my sous chef. Both of us were cutting garlic and onions. I think that was the main thing. So that Raja didn't want to just have hands cutting and then, cheat the shot. So it looks like someone else is cutting and, the actor is just pretending. And that took some time.
Right.
The technique of cutting properly, which I think you can see in.
Yes, we loved that long shot. एकदम पूरा आप काट रहे हो खुद से पूरी
But
मेहनत.
it was great fun. I really enjoyed cooking. I learned some things. I cook at home now, and I think it's a very therapeutic, very relaxing thing to do.
Right.
And I look forward to cooking even more.
Right, amazing. Yeah, the trailers just left us hungry, for more. तो वो तो फिल्म के साथ ही होगा, लेकिन यहाँ भी बहुत सारी भूख लगी होगी सवाल पूछने की. So it's over to the media. We'll take your questions. खा जाओ. पूछ लो, I mean.
Hi, Saif, Alok on your left.
Where are you, Alok? Hello.
Hi, सवाल
कोई बात नहीं.
सर सवाल ये है कि अभी आपने बताया कि अभी आप घर में कुक भी करने लगे हैं. Exactly क्या पकाते हैं और क्या चीजें घर वालों को पसंद है आपके हाथ की बनाई हुई?
See, my favorite thing to cook is spaghetti. I still can't cook Indian food very well, and spaghetti is easy, but it's also fattening. So my wife doesn't let me cook it very often, or she doesn't eat it. I end up eating it myself. But I think the spaghetti aglio olio with garlic and olive oil is my favorite.
बट करीना अक्सर बताती हैं कि उन्हें परांठे भी काफी पसंद हैं, तो
उनको पराठे पसंद हैं?
हाँ, एक इवेंट पे वो और
No, see, maybe in a sequel, if we make a sequel, we can do things like that. We've cooked in a Amritsar kitchen also, and we've cooked Desi khana and Punjabi khana as well. But I'm still not an expert at that. My favorite dish is still spaghetti. Sorry, it's not very. It's too Italian, right? I should have a nice Desi patriotic dish. What do you suggest I learn?
I think dal chawal is a good start.
Dal chawal. Yeah, I should start with that.
राजा सर, एयरलिफ्ट के बाद जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है कि लोगों की जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो हाई हो चुकी है और
यार देखो we make a film और फिल्म बनाते बनाते उसमें घुस जाते हैं हम लोग, so we don't really know. I hope if expectations have increased वो अच्छी बात है. Hopefully we'll be able to give them the same excitement that we did. It's a very different film, of course. ये अलग ही है कुछ, but I think the craft is similar. It's filmmaking, and hopefully the audience will love it as much. But your expectations, if it starts getting into your head, then you can't make a film actually. So you go out and make it.
भूषण सर, पिता पुत्र के रिश्ते की कहानी है और आप भी अपने पिता के काफ़ी करीब रहे हैं. उनके गाने हम आज भी उनकी लाइफ को देखते हैं. आप खुद एक पिता हैं. अब किस तरीके से इस फिल्म को देखते हैं और क्या यादें शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि इसमें एक फादर सन का इमोशन है कि जो एक लाइन है वो मतलब एक्चुअली इस ट्रेलर को देखने के बाद वो मैं भी थोड़ी अपनी लाइफ चेंज करूँगा. जैसे काम से क्या था, काम से प्यार, प्यार से काम, तो वो उसमें प्यार रह ही गया. तो वो चीज़ बहुत ही बहुत बड़ी बढ़िया लाइन है रितेश, वेरी वेरी गुड लाइन. तो वो एक उससे एक चेंज होने का मौका मिलेगा कि अपनी फैमिली को और अपने बच्चों को ज़्यादा टाइम देना चाहिए. तो वो चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है एक्चुअली.
Hello. Hi, Saif, on your right.
Hi.
Hi. Chef, Saif, who are your three favorite chefs all around the world or wherever?
I met a very interesting chef, lovely guy, Mr. Vikas Khanna. He's done really, really well. And he's from Punjab. I think he's from Amritsar. And he's one of the top 10 chefs in America now. And he had some very interesting stories, but that's another movie about how difficult it is to become an international top chef from India. People control that market quite tightly, apparently. So he is an amazing chef with the different kinds of food he cooks. They're amazing. They're like inventors, you know. They spend a lot of time doing very interesting things with food. And I think food is something we take for granted. At least I take for granted sometimes. We're so used to eating that we take some time to think who's cooked it and how it tastes. In a restaurant we do that, but at home sometimes, you know, kind of take it.
It is a science, actually.
Yeah, it is a science. It's like alchemy. You kind of change the temperature and mix things together and it becomes something altogether different. And strange things taste interestingly, you know, things that you wouldn't imagine. Bread and chocolate, I mean, odd things. Taste amazing sometimes. So it's a fascinating thing. And I don't know too many other chefs. There's a chef in... I have favorite restaurants and favorite cuisines, but this is the only one
You can share
that I've met
those-
and I know.
Your favorite restaurant?
Yes, I would have to say also Gopal from Nepal, who's my chef at home, is my favorite chef.
Thank you.
Saif, to your left. Here.
Right? Yeah.
Saif here, to your left. यहाँ.
Yes.
ओके आपने कहा अच्छा खाना बनाने की ट्रेनिंग आपने ली
जी.
हम देख रहे हैं ऑन स्क्रीन बहुत ही अच्छे पिता बनते सेकंड हाफ में फिल्म शायद बन गए हो आप रियल लाइफ में जाना चाहेंगे फादरहुड टिप्स आपने फैमिली से किसी से ली है तैमूर के साथ किस तरह से वक्त यू नो हाउ डू यू टेक आउट टाइम बिकॉज इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल से यू नो हाउ डू यू ट्राई एंड स्पेंड टाइम विथ हिम एंड बिल्ड अप दैट रिलेशन
I think, you know, this is an important theme in the film also, you know, giving time to the important things in life. And I mean, the answer to that is, you know, when I'm working, I would like to do a 7 to 7 shift if I can. So that's really good because I can see him early in the morning. And then when I come home, I get to spend a decent amount of time with him. If you shoot 9 to 9 or if you shoot the wrong shift, then you don't see your children at all sometimes. In the earlier days, I remember senior actors telling me that, you know, they'd shoot many shifts and you often wouldn't see your parents for a very long time. So I think we're all more conscious of that now, and we balance it. You know, I'm still lucky. We have some help at home. You know, my wife and I try and balance it as much as we can, so one of us is around. I guess some people can't do that. I feel bad for them who have to support, you know, you have to support your children as well. So you have to work. So that balance is what it's about. And it's the most important thing in life. And the most important thing you can learn is balance, you know, in your personal life, with pleasure, with work. How do you balance it? Take the middle path and do a little bit of everything in moderation, you know.
करीना को ट्रेलर दिखाया क्या रिएक्शन रहा उनका कितना पसंद आया उनको क्या कुछ
Yeah, I
कहा?
showed it to her last night and she liked it very much.
Hi, Saif. Hi.
Ji.
And for both Saif and Raja. Saif, you must have seen the original film. Yeah. So, also for the director, like how close is to that, or and in terms of Indian context, how have you changed it? And Saif, for you too.
Well, I mean, it's really a question for Raja because I am an actor, obviously. So for me, it's the first time it's happening, and it's a new experience for me, you know, the script I get and how we handle it. Of course, I saw the original, which I always saw as a very nice movie, but an indie kind of, I don't want to say small film, but it is not a big studio commercial kind of movie, you know. It seems like a film made out of love for cinema and food, and by Jon Favreau, who's a wonderful director. When Raja adapted this movie, I was happy to see that it's a wider cinematic experience in the sense that it's been Indianized, obviously, but apart from being a father and son story, it's a story, it's a satisfying cinematic experience, and it's a broader film, actually, I feel, than the original Chef. So, I mean, you start there, but you, I mean, it's a proper movie that caters to different emotions, including, you know, father and son, but also losing your passion for work, losing your balance in life, and through your work, getting that back and fixing your personal problems also. So on that level, and the way we, treat India from Kerala, and it's kind of quite a pan-Indian movie if you see the cast and if you see the kind of journey that this food truck takes from Kochi to Goa to Delhi. So we cover a lot of the flavor of the country also. So in that sense, it's a wider movie.
So to answer your question, what we've used from Chef, so first of all, I'll call it an adaptation, it's not a remake. So we've adapted the film to India, which is very important. So when I saw it and I loved the film, I felt emotionally कि हमारे यहाँ पे जो emotions होते हैं वो they're very different from the emotions of the relationships that are in the West. तो वो पहली बात है. So we wanted to explore that more. In fact, actually, when we started and we saw the film, and I was speaking with Ritesh and Suresh, Ritesh was saying, but करे तो what can we do with this? क्या करें? And then we thought a lot about it and then came up with the idea of actually exploring this father and son as our main theme and using the truck and food and the fact that he's a chef as a kind of corollary to that. So he's a chef, but it's a film about a father finding himself again as a father and as a professional. So we've actually flipped it on its head a lot. Because यहाँ पे it's about a chef who figures out his passion for life and therefore cooking and therefore everything else that goes with it, as against the original film. But we have a food truck and we have food and we have all those things which are similar. So it's quite different. I don't think it's really the same film at all. We've also traveled. We used India because India में जो होता है, from Kerala, the food is different, the culture is different, to Amritsar where it's completely different, to Delhi, to Goa. So what we did is we've used all these elements in the film to give it a bigger cinematic experience, to be honest. So that's the idea. And there are little things that are, so if you haven't seen the original or you have seen it, this will still be a new experience for you.
चंदन पद्म प्रिया और स्वार से भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आप लोगों की ये जर्नी कैसी रही शेफ की? इस फिल्म की जर्नी के बारे में एक एक करके अगर आप हेलो
Let the lady answer first.
It has been a unique experience in the sense that ये फिल्म मैंने अंग्रेजी में देखी थी और it had its own impact. I had not looked at it as a father-son relationship. मैं न्यूयॉर्क से वापस आई थी पढ़ के तो मेरे को सिर्फ वहाँ के ब्रेड और टोस्टीज दिखे थे. But the minute Raja narrated the original script, like the adapted script to me, I think it's such a set of, जैसे विक्रम जी ने बोला, it's a set of universal emotions which really, makes what the film it is today और जो आपको ट्रेलर में दिखता है. So it's been a beautiful experience to be part of it.
चंदन आप बताएं या स्वार को पहले मौका दें?
Swar.
I think that it was really nice from my side because I got to taste a lot of food. I ate a lot of food in Kochi, in Amritsar, Goa, and Delhi.
काफी non-veg बनता था और मैं vegetarian थी इसलिए.
So I used to never have veg food, and that was the only thing. But frankly speaking, I love the food in Amritsar because of the huge lassi container.
The movie also. Only the food.
Okay, yeah. I love traveling also. And
once in a way, you try to do some acting in between all that.
Yeah, okay. I think. Okay, I guess I acted really nice. I don't know.
Thank you, Swar. चंदन आप बताएं आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही इस फिल्म के साथ?
देखिए मेरे शरीर पर मत जाए लेकिन मैं भी बहुत बड़ा फूडी हूँ. खाने का बड़ा शौक है. But I feel that food is very, eating and making and sharing food is a very complex emotion. और मैं भी काफ़ी शेफ्स को फॉलो करता हूँ और मैंने जब फिल्म देखी थी जॉन फावरू की और जॉन लिगुइजामो मेरे बहुत ही एक मनपसंद कलाकार हैं. तो मैं राजा सर को बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ और एक दिन उन्होंने बोला कि मैं एक नई फिल्म बना रहा हूँ और शेफ़ है उसमें, सू शेफ़ का किरदार है. मैं उनसे मिला और पहली बार मेरी शेफ़ से मुलाकात हुई वहाँ पे. तो कहानी सुनने के बाद हमने जब रीडिंग की और मैं वैसे भी खाना बनाता हूँ घर पे मैं काफ़ी सालों से, तो हम लोगों ने फिर वर्कशॉप किए और हमारी अगर आप जब फिल्म देखेंगे तो सैफ के साथ एक अनूठा रिश्ता जो हमारे ऑफ स्क्रीन भी बना है वो जो बहुत ज़रूरी था जो अगर आप ओरिजिनल फिल्म भी देखेंगे जॉन फावरू और जॉन के बीच में, वो शायद यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने इस किरदार को निभाया है बड़े ही अदायगी से। तो आई थिंक आप लोग को मज़े आएंगे, और थैंक यू राजा सर एंड एवरीबडी फॉर मेकिंग दिस, बिकॉज खाना जो है बहुत ही एक ऐसा चीज़ है, ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप जो अंदर फील करते हैं, जो आपके अंदर का इमोशन है, वो आप उस खाने में डालते हैं, और सामने वालों खाने को अगर जब सुगंध उसकी जो आती है, कई बार आपका मूड ऑफ होता है और आप खाना बनाते हैं, उस पर वो स्वाद नहीं होता, लेकिन जबकि आप सालों से बना रहे हैं, लेकिन कई बार आपका जो है मूड बड़ा ही अच्छा होता है और आप खाना बनाते हैं। जो इस फिल्म के साथ भी हुआ है, मूड सबका बड़ा अच्छा था, बड़ा अच्छा खाना बना है, बड़ी अच्छी फिल्म आई है, मज़े आएंगे।
Hi Padma Priya, over here towards your right. Over here, hi. You know, if I'm not wrong, this is your first major Hindi film. So how was it working with Saif in the film?
I have never. So when I came into films, I had no idea about movies, especially in the south of India. तो जब बड़े-बड़े एक्टर के साथ काम करती थी, पता नहीं चलता था. But to me, working with Saif was I had seen his films before, and I loved a lot of them. So it was a little starstruck kind of an experience. दूसरा बात ये होता था कि जब अभी तक मैंने कभी फिल्म के पहले कभी अपने को-स्टार को मिलती नहीं थी, तो यहाँ पे तो राजा साहब ने इतना काम करवाया हमें फिल्म शुरू होने के पहले, मतलब पूरा जो डांस का एक छोटा सा पीस है उसके लिए 4-5 दिन काम करवाया। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर। नहीं, पर बहुत अच्छा भी लगा। इट वाज मतलब इट वाज लिटरली लाइक डूइंग अ प्ले व्हिच इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम डूइंग अ मूवी। सो इट वाज अ वेरी यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी, एंड एवरी फिल्म हर एक खूबसूरत नए नए मोमेंट्स देता है। चंदन के साथ मैंने पहले एक फिल्म की हुई है बंगाली में, हमेशा याद दिलाते रहते हैं कितनी बुरी एक्ट्रेस हूँ मैं। सो वर्किंग विद स्वर, ही इज़ एन अमेजिंग एक्टर, good friend. So it's been a beautiful experience to work in a set like this. Yeah.
Hi. And Saif, I have 2 questions
and for
for
a
you.
script like this as well.
Saif, I have 2 questions. First one, you know, are you a foodie, and which are your favorite cuisine as a person?
Yeah, I mean, I could be a foodie. I try not to be, because then I'll put on too much weight. I like all kinds of food. I love Indian food. I love Chinese food, Italian food, Japanese food, English food. Is there anything left? I don't know. Yeah, I think I like everything except even Ethiopian food once. Yeah, it's very nice. What? No, in cooking. Yeah, I think initially we show him cooking in America, so he's doing Western food there. I mean, like Italian stuff and things like this. And then in India also, cooking in a very atmospheric kitchen in Amritsar Dhaba, and then Kerala also, of course. Kochi is an amazing place to be generally. So, like Chandan very rightly said, it's a lot about attitude also, and different cuisines, different people. It'll make a really interesting documentary also, a kind of a culinary tour through India. The kind of food in Kerala, how they cook. It's amazing. So we learnt a lot also, and it was fantastic.
And Saif, Race is your franchisee, and Ramesh ji recently announced the film with Salman and Jacqueline. Have you been approached for the film? Because it is a big...
No, honestly, I wouldn't. Ramesh ji told me about this last year. He said that I'm going to make Race 3, but I'm going to make a new movie, and I'm going to take a new cast. And we spoke about it, and I love Ramesh ji. And who better than Salman Khan to... be cast by him. So I wish them both all the best, but I have not been approached.
All right, hi, this is Minnie from India Today. On your right, here. Okay, your left. Yeah, hi. So Swar, my question is to you. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. How was your experience working with Saif? And tell us something about the on-sets moment, maybe.
I learned a lot from him. First of all, like when we were before, like just before starting, like the camera was setting up and we were there in the truck. So we used to talk about ghost stories, and we used to talk about many other things like off the topic. Yeah, that's it.
You're talking about the food truck, right?
Check.
Yeah, so basically I used to love the food truck because everything was around me and it was just food. He used to not like it because it was really hot in there. I used to keep on complaining about it.
He
So did he guide you, or was it? Did he guide you? Were there any pranks? Were there any bullying around? How was it? How was your on-set experience?
Very nice.
I think Swar was doing the bullying.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Also the guiding. Also to me.
All right, Saif, I also want to ask you this, that there used to be a time where for celebrities and stars, you have to earn your stardom, you had to work for it. But now we are in a time that star kids are already in rage. I mean, they're being packed wherever they go, they're being talked about. Right now also we had a question for Taimur. So what do you think? Do you think that in this time and age, there's really no need, or is it curbing the need of earning it or working for it for the star kids?
I don't know. I'm just saying the world is a free market. You know, if there's a need for something, it's supplied. So I think the press likes taking pictures. People are interested while reading coffee to see a picture, so it sells. How much, what sells, is you know, open, and there's a price tag to any kind of fame. Serious fame is usually earned.
We'll just take one last question.
I shall take his autograph then.
Super.
That's how I'll take it.
Ma'am.
Yes. It is true, they love food, and Chinese food, I think in particular. Ranbir and I cooked at Kunal Kapoor's house, because I think they didn't believe I can make a really nice aglio olio. And we flambéed prawns, and they shot it, yeah, and there was like flames everywhere, and they were very impressed. Yeah. See, this food truck is it's a very nice truck. Kisko le jaun? I would say Ranbir, right? Ranbir and Kunal, with no offense to anyone else, with boys trip. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much. It's time for the final photo op. Yes, one last question. कौन है?
विक्रम, किस तरीके से फिल्म को रिलीज करने का प्लान है? क्या स्क्रीन्स होंगे देश में, विदेश में?
मेन स्ट्रीम रिलीज़ है. आजकल फिल्म्स अपना मार्केट, अपना रिलीज़ खुद ढूंढती हैं. वर्ड ऑफ माउथ मैटर करता है. मेन स्ट्रीम रिलीज़ है, डे एंड डेट पर इंटरनेशनल रिलीज़ है. फिल्म की एक्सपेक्टेशंस नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द वंडरफुल टैलेंट ऑन माय राइट, बट ओरिजिनल से भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, इंटरनेशनली भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं. मेन स्ट्रीम रिलीज़ है, आज से कैंपेन की शुरुआत है. तो अब आपको ये काफ़ी दिखाई और सुनाई देगी. और अल्टीमेटली टुडे द answer lies on what the audience thinks about our work.
Thank you so much.
Sir, this side. The trailer looks amazing. इससे पहले काला कांडी का ट्रेलर हमने देखा था, पसंद आया था लोगों को. टीजर जो फिल्म को 68 कट्स मिले हैं, if I'm not wrong. 68 कट, and अब तक फिल्म अटकी पड़ी है. उसका रिलीज डेट अब तक आउट नहीं हुआ है.
Atki is the wrong word. I think there were a lot of cuts. And there's a governing body in films called FCAT. So a lot of films that have got lots of cuts go there and then come out with no cuts or 3 cuts or something. It's this magic place apparently, where films with lots of cuts go and they come out with like no cuts. So it sounds like a bit of a waste of time, but it's great. Eventually we'll hopefully get few cuts because it's a lovely movie and there's a process on. The teaser's out, obviously, as you know. So the trailer will come out, I think, and you know, we all think it should only come out after we know what the final cut is. So
Filhal, this one is a very parivarik film. Yeah, isko dekhenge.
I'm always hopeful, and I'm also realistic. So you know, I don't know. I don't know what will happen. Let's see. The proof in the pudding will be in the eating. To stick with a cooking metaphor.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's time for the final photo ops. Click, click, click.